Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play General's Zero Hour. To begin, familiarize yourself with the three distinct factions: the United States of America, the Global Liberation Army, and China. Each offers unique units, structures, and powerful superweapons, demanding different playstyles. Mastering basic controls for unit selection and movement is crucial. Your initial focus should be on establishing a strong economy by building supply centers to gather resources efficiently. Your command center is the heart of your operations, so protect it well. Immediately establish supply centers close to resource docks to ensure a steady flow of funds, which are vital for everything. Remember to build enough power plants to keep your base powered, as structures will not function without sufficient energy. Early defense, such as bunkers or anti-air turrets, is essential to deter initial enemy attacks. Building a diverse army is key to victory. Aim for a balanced force comprising infantry, vehicles, and aircraft to counter various threats. Research upgrades at your war factory or barracks to enhance unit capabilities, such as increased armor or firepower. When engaging, always consider unit strengths and weaknesses. For example, anti-tank units are effective against tanks, while anti-air units protect against aircraft. As the game progresses, superweapons become incredibly powerful tools. Learn to deploy them strategically for maximum impact, such as destroying enemy bases or resource hubs. Controlling key map objectives, like oil derricks or civilian structures, provides valuable bonuses. Always adapt your strategy to your opponent's faction, as each has unique strengths and weaknesses. Ultimately, victory is achieved by completely destroying all enemy command centers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.